If love had eyes, it would see the world, not just in colors or shapes, but through the soul's purest light. It would gaze upon the quiet moments, the simple gestures that speak louder than words. Love's eyes would catch the sparkle in a glance, the warmth in a smile, and the tenderness in a touch. It would understand the language of hearts, the silent promises kept in the spaces between breaths. To love with eyes is to see beyond the surface, beyond the masks we wear, to the essence that makes each person unique and precious. It would be a gaze filled with patience and kindness, never hurried, always present. If love had eyes, it would never miss the beauty hidden in flaws or the strength born from vulnerability. It would watch the dance of two souls weaving their stories together, finding harmony in difference and joy in togetherness. If love had eyes, it would witness the courage it takes to open one's heart, despite the fear of being hurt. It would see the trembling steps toward trust, the quiet bravery in forgiveness, and the hope that blooms even after tears have fallen. Love's eyes would notice the little sacrifices made without complaint, the late-night talks that stitch two lives into one fabric, and the laughter shared in the face of hardship. It would see the world through a lens of endless possibility, where every ending is just a new beginning. If love had eyes, it would cherish the moments of solitude spent dreaming of the other, the gentle longing that keeps hearts connected across distance. It would understand that love is not just a feeling but a choice made every day, seen in actions more than words. If love had eyes, it would watch the seasons of a relationship unfold, from the first spark to the glowing ember that warms a lifetime. It would see the awkwardness of early encounters, the shy glances exchanged, and the butterflies that flutter with every touch. It would witness the growing trust, the deepening bond, and the comfort found in silence. Love's eyes would catch the tears of joy and sorrow alike, knowing that both are threads woven into the tapestry of union. It would observe the way two people grow together, learning each other's stories, dreams and fears. If love had eyes, it would treasure the shared memories, the inside jokes, and the quiet moments that speak volumes about belonging. If love had eyes, it would see beyond time, recognizing that true love is timeless and eternal. It would observe the way love can transcend distance, hardship, and even absence. Love's eyes would perceive the whispers of devotion carried on the wind, and the silent prayers whispered in the night. It would notice how love can heal wounds that seemed impossible to mend, how it can bring light into the darkest corners of the heart. If love had eyes, it would hold the stories of lovers separated by fate but united by hope. It would understand that love's strength lies not only in presence, but also in the faith that binds two souls across any divide. If love had eyes, it would see the little things that often go unnoticed, the way a hand finds another in a crowded room, the brush of fingers in passing, the comfort of a shared blanket on a cold night. It would notice the way love makes ordinary moments extraordinary, turning a simple meal into a feast of connection, and a quiet walk into an adventure. Love's eyes would delight in the small acts of kindness that build a life together, the way a look can say I am here, and a touch can say you are safe. If love had eyes, it would understand that love is found not just in grand gestures, but in everyday care, in the steady presence that anchors the heart. If love had eyes, it would see the strength that love gives, the power to face challenges hand in hand. It would watch as love inspires courage, fuels dreams and lifts spirits. Love's eyes would recognize the resilience born from standing together through storms, and the peace found in knowing someone will always be there. It would witness the growth that love encourages, the way it teaches patience, understanding and compassion. If love had eyes, it would see not just what love is but what it makes us become better, kinder, more whole. It would celebrate the journey of love, with all its ups and downs, as the greatest adventure of all. If love had eyes, it would see the magic in the everyday, the sparkle in ordinary moments shared between two hearts. It would find wonder in the way a smile can light up a room, in the comfort of a whispered word, and in the joy of simply being together. Love's eyes would appreciate the beauty of imperfections, knowing that true love embraces the whole person, flaws and all. It would see the humor, the playfulness, and the lightness that love brings, reminding us that love can be joyous and fun, as well as deep and serious. If love had eyes, it would cherish every laugh, every tear, every heartbeat shared in the dance of love. If love had eyes, it would understand the language of silence, the way love speaks without words. It would see the comfort found in just being close, the peace in a shared quiet, and the connection that goes beyond speech. Love's eyes would recognize the unspoken promises made in a glance, the understanding that needs no explanation. It would watch the moments when two souls communicate through heartbeats, through breath, through the simple act of presence. If love had eyes, it would know that sometimes, the most profound expressions of love are found in silence, in the spaces between words where the heart truly listens. If love had eyes, it would see the dreams woven between two hearts, the hopes built on shared visions of the future. It would watch as love inspires plans and fuels ambition, encouraging each other to reach higher and dream bigger. Love's eyes would notice the way partners support each other's growth, celebrate achievements, and comfort failures. It would see how love creates a safe space where dreams can flourish without fear. If love had eyes, it would hold the promise of tomorrow, the belief that together anything is possible. It would understand that love is not just about today, but about building a future hand in hand. If love had eyes, it would see the beauty of a love that is patient and kind, that does not envy or boast. It would recognize the humility in loving without conditions, the grace in forgiving without limits. Love's eyes would appreciate the strength in gentleness, the power in understanding, and the freedom in acceptance. It would watch as love chooses to stay, even when it is hard, and to grow, even when it is challenging. If love had eyes, it would celebrate the quiet heroism of everyday love, the steadfast commitment that builds a life filled with meaning and joy. If love had eyes, it would see the journey of two souls intertwined, the dance of give and take, the balance of holding on and letting go. It would watch as love evolves, deepens, and matures, teaching lessons of patience, trust, and resilience. Love's eyes would appreciate the beauty in impermanence, understanding that love changes but does not end. It would see the legacy of love, the way it shapes who we are and who we become. If love had eyes, it would treasure every moment, every memory, every heartbeat shared in the sacred space of love. If love had eyes, it would see the light that love brings into the darkest times, the hope that lifts us when we feel lost. It would witness the way love comforts, heals, and restores. Love's eyes would understand the sacred power of love to transform pain into strength, sorrow into joy. It would see the miracles born from love's touch, the way it connects us to something greater than ourselves. If love had eyes, it would hold the faith that love endures, that it is the eternal flame guiding us through life's journey. It would know that love is the greatest gift, the most profound truth, and the deepest source of happiness. A princess not just of a realm, but of a heart full of dreams and desires. It would watch as I learn what it means to love and be loved, to give freely and receive with grace. Love's eyes would see my hopes, my fears, my joys, and my sorrows. It would understand that behind the crown and the titles, I am simply human, longing for connection and understanding. If love had eyes, it would hold my story tenderly, knowing that love is the thread that weaves us all together, across kingdoms and hearts. It would remind me that love, in all its forms, is the most precious treasure anyone can hold.